A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope to all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to Maths Online classes. Today class is chapter 11. Chapter 11 Algebraic Expressions.
Very good morning, my dear students. Today class is chapter 11 algebraic expressions. Chapter 11 algebraic expressions. We know that the algebraic expressions is three terms are divided: monomial and binomial and trinomial. Three terms are there: monomial, binomial and trinomial. We know that already we learned in the previous class like terms, unlike terms, monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial means we have to take the only single term, and a binomial means we have to take the two terms. Trinomial means three terms, we have to take the three terms. So once observe that there are number of situations which we need to multiply algebraic expressions. A monomial is multiplied by monomial, always give a monomial. So for example, monomial. First example is the monomial. So multiply the monomial. The monomial multiplied by another monomial. Monomial means a single term only. For example, 2x into, it is a monomial and it is a the multiplied the two monomials equal to 2 2s are 4x into x square. Only single term is there. So it is a monomial. The product of two monomials equal to monomial. Okay. Next, binomial. Multiply the polynomial by a monomial, multiply every term the polynomial by the monomial. For example, binomial. Binomial means take the two terms. For example, 4x plus 3y into two terms. Here two terms. Monomial, the product of two terms. 4x into 4x plus 3y plus 3y into 4x plus 3y. So here 4 4s are 16, x into x square plus 4 3s are 12, x into y xy plus 3 4s are 12 into x into y 12xy plus 3 3s are 9 into y square. 16x square plus 12xy plus 12xy 24xy. Because of here variables are same and exponents also same, then we have to take the adding. And a 9y square. Here observe that 1 2 3 3 terms are there. 1 2 3 terms are there. It is a trinomial. So the product of the two binomial, the product of the two binomial is equal to trinomial. The product of the two monomial equal to monomial. The product of the two binomial equal to trinomial. Did you understand, children? So here take the two binomial terms. So multiply that. The two terms are multiplied. So how many terms are will get? Three terms. So three terms are having a trinomial. Did you understand? Okay. Now in carrying out the multiplication of any algebraic expressions with another algebraic expressions, monomial or binomial or trinomial, we multiply term by term. Every term of expression is multiplied by every term is the another expression. For example, two monomials multiplied, monomial will get. Two binomial multiplied will get a trinomial, like that. Understand, children? Okay, already we know that for mathematics identities 4 is there. We know that that is a plus into plus is equal to plus, plus into minus equal to minus, minus into plus equal to minus, minus into minus equal to plus. This is a mathematics fundamental topics. Fundamental topics. Plus into plus equal to plus, plus into minus equal to minus, minus into plus equal to minus, minus into minus equal to plus. This is the basic on this property. This chapter is basic on fundamental topics. Okay, we know that like terms and unlike. Like terms means the coefficient, it means of variables are same and powers also same. What is the like term? We know that the like terms is a same variable and power is the same. For example, 2x, for example, 2x comma 5x comma minus 2x or minus 4x. Same variable with the same exponent. So it is the variable are the same and exponent also same. These three terms are there. How many terms here? One. Actually, this is the monomial. Yes or no? This is the monomial, but it is a variables are same and powers also same. That is called a like terms. That is called a like terms. Children, open page number 249. Sorry, 248. Page number 248. Do these sums are there. Once observe that. Do this. Okay. Dear children, open page number 248. Look at the do these problems. So what is it? Find the number of terms in following algebraic expressions. Find the number of terms following algebraic expressions. We know that here, for example, here first one is the 5xy square and next one 5xy cube minus 9x and the next one 3xy plus 4y minus 8 and next one 9x square plus 2x plus pq plus q is there. So here what we find them, just here how many terms are there, we find them. Just here how many terms are there, just the identification of the terms. So for example in this problem only here single term is there. Total x, y are variables and phi is the coefficient, xy coefficient. But it is a total is a single term, one term. Total is a one term. How many terms are there? One. So here how many terms are there? 9x and 5xy cube. This is a two terms are there. Next 3xy and here 1 and here 2 and here 3. How many terms are there? 3 terms. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that it is a 4 terms. So we know that single term is called a monomial and 2 terms is called a binomial and 3 terms is called a trinomial and here 4 terms is called a tetrahedron polynomial. Understand children? This is a just here asking the identify the here find the number of terms. Find the number of terms. Here only asking find the number of terms. It is a first. Do this page number 248, page number first problem. So here next one, what is the next one? Take different values of x. Take different values of x and find the values of 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5. Once here observe that problem is the 3x plus 5 and we have to take the x values your wish 1 and 2 and 3. We have to take the any number. Understand children? Now we will substitute the equation. What is given that equation here? 3x plus 5. So 3 into substitute the x value is equal to 5. 3 ones are 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Next 3. Now we will substitute the x value 2. 3 into 2 plus 5 equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 5 equal to 11. Same 3 into 3 plus 5 equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 5 equal to 14. So here given to the second problem, take different values for x and find the values of 3x plus 5. Just here did not given to the x values, then we have to take the x values 1, 2, 3 and so on, your wish. Now I have to take the only 3 values and substitute the equation and find the values 8, 11, 14. Understood children? It is a do these two problems. Page number 248. Next now page number 249 to these problems. Do these problems. Okay, next page number 249, do this. Find the like terms. Find the like terms. Here observe that children here ax square, 2x, 5y square and minus 9. This is all monomial terms, single terms. Okay. So here observe that same terms we will write here. First of all ax square y. Any term is there? Ax square y? No. 2x. X terms is there? 2x and minus 6x. Next 5y square, 5y square any terms is there? Yes, 18y square also is there. 2 terms are there. Next here minus 9x square any one is there? No. And 7xy only single term. No need of another terms. So here observe that find the like terms. What is a like term? Like terms having a same variable and power also same, that is called a like term. So here ax square is the single term, so it is a not like term. So here 2x and 6x, x is a same variable and the power also same, so this is a like terms. These are a like terms. And the next one 5y square and 18y square, variable is the same, power also same, this is also like term. This is also like term. Next here 9x square anyone is there? No. 7xy anyone is there? No. So these two terms of your like terms. Understand children? So next one is the write 3 like terms of 5pq square. What is the next one? 5pq square. 5pq square. We should write here 3 terms. 5p square, write 3 like terms for 5p square. Okay, so here we are adding any 3 terms 5pq square. So here observe that 3pq square and pq square and pq square by 2 and etc. and so on. Understand children this problem? So here 4p square, once observe that it is a, how many terms are there? So here 3 terms, so 3p square and 3pq square, and like these terms of write this like 3 terms. We should write here 3 terms, 3pq square and pq square by 2 etc. So we should write here 4p square, pq square and so on. Here we should write the terms. What is the second question? Write 3 like terms for 5pq square. Like terms means we should write the p power is the 1 and q power is the 2. We should write something here. It means of before 5. It means of 4 p q square also write that, or p q square by 3 also write that. Only before the 5pq square. Like terms means same variable and same power. That is called a like terms. Understand children? Okay. Okay, next page number 250. Do this first one. Do this first problem. A equal to 2y square plus 3x minus x square. B is equal to 3x square minus y square. C is equal to 5x square minus 3xy. Children, already we learned in the previous class, 7th class also, we learned this type of methods, a plus b or b, a minus b, b plus c, b minus c, a plus b plus c, like that, adding of all terms. Already we learned. Here once observe that I explained the first problem a plus b, remaining 3 problems are do the homework. 3 or 4 problems do the homework. Okay. So here this is 2 methods are there. One by a column and 2 column methods are vertical line also do the addition or subtraction. So here write here a plus b is equal to, what is the a term? 2y square plus 3x minus x square plus b is 3x square minus y square. So here observe that we should write here 2y square plus 3x minus x square plus into plus 3x square plus into minus 3 only y square. So here first we should write here x square terms. So here 3x square minus x square. 3x square minus 1x square. Remaining how many is there? 2. So it is the big number is the positive value is there. Then we should write here. So here write 2x square. Next y square terms. 2y square minus y square plus y square plus 3x only is there. So now we should write here 3x. So this is the value of a plus b. Understand, children? Okay, right. So remaining problems, do the homework. Okay, next page number 253, do this. Page number 253, do this. Complete the table. So here given the monomial, first term of monomial, and this is also monomial. The product of two monomials. The product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. So here product of two monomials means 2x into minus 3y is equal to, product means multiplication. Plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6, x into y, xy, minus 6 xy. Understand, children? That is, understand? So next one is minus 4y square into minus 2y. It is also monomial and it is also monomial. Monomial means a single term is called a monomial. So here minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. Y into y square is y cube. Okay. Next here 3abc into 5bcd. Here observe that it is also single term, monomial. 3 5s are 15 and a into not there. So here write a, b into b, b square, and c into c, c square, and d. Only single term is this. Parable, okay? Next, mn equal to mn into minus 4m equal to, the coefficient of mn equal to 1, 1 into 4, 4, plus into minus, minus m into m, m square, and n. Understand, children? So here minus 3mq into minus 3nq is equal to, minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9, m into n, m, n, q into q, q square. The product of the two monomials equal to, will get a, all, once observe that it is only single term is there. Any 2 3 4 terms are there? No, single term only is there. So what we observe that the product of the two monomials equal will get a monomial. The product of two monomial will get monomial. Understand, children? So here observe that second problem. Do this second problem. Check whether you always get a monomial when two monomial are multiplied. Yes, these two all are monomials here. These two monomials multiplied by monomial. Understand, children? Next, the third question. Product of two monomials is a monomial. Yes, the product of two monomial is a monomial. Check. Once observe the check. So you have to take the any two terms monomials, mn into minus 4m. So we'll get a minus 4m square n. So it is a monomial or not? Yes. Understand, children? Okay. So we should write here class work. Second problem, write the one example, and third problem also write the one example. So observe the table and write the second and third problems. Understood, children? Okay. Exercise 11.1. Exercise 11.1. First Roman. What is the first Roman? Find the product of the following pairs. Find the product of the following pairs. So product means multiplication. So here 6 into 7k. So these are two monomials. These are two monomials. So 6 7s are 6 1, 6 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42 into k, 42k. The product of the two monomials equal will get a monomial. So here also this is the first solution and the first Roman, second, third problem. So the product of the two monomials, 5t square into minus 3t square, minus 3t square. So here observe that minus into minus plus 5 3s are 15, t square into t square. T square into t square means 15 t power 4. That is also monomial. Did you understand, children? The product of two monomials will get a monomial. Understood? Okay. Next. Second Roman and third Roman, very easy. Once look at the textbook, complete the table of the product. So here first line and x terms 5x minus 2y square, 3x square, 6xy. So is there. So second Roman and third Roman do the homework. Second Roman and third Roman do the homework and find fourth Roman. Once substitute that fourth Roman, find the product of the following monomial. So here these are single terms. So product means multiplication. So it is here right here xy into x square y into xy into x. So first multiply. How many x's are there? X, x square, x, x. So here x into x square into x into x into y, y into y into y. 3 y's are there. So multiply that. X into x square, x cube into x, x power 4, x power 4 into x, x power 5 into y into y, y square, y into y, y square into y, y power 3. Okay, so we have one substitute, that is the loss of exponents. So power is 1, 1 is there. So a power m into a power m into b power n equal to, sorry, a power m into a power n equal to. So bases are same, then exponents are adding. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. X power 5. Bases are same. So x power 5 into y. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 bases are same y. So powers are adding. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So x power 5 into y power 3. Understood, children? Next, fifth problem. If a is equal to xy, b equal to yz and c equal to zx, find ABC. Find ABC. One substitute that, children, it is a fourth Roman. Remaining problems do the homework, and fifth Roman. So what is this ABC means? A into B into C. What is the A? XY into B, YZ into C, ZX. Okay, understood? So here x, any x is there? Yes, x into x, x square, y into y, y square into z into z, z square, x square, y square, z square. Understood, children? Okay. Next, exercise 11.1, sixth problem. P is equal to 4x square, T is equal to 5x, R equal to 5y. Then find PTR by 100. We know that PTR by 100 is simple interest formula. I is equal to PTR by 100. So here given to the values, P, T, or values are given. Then we will substitute the values and find the value PTR by 100. So solution. So here P is a 4x square into T is a 5x into R is a 5y by 100. So here 4 5s are first product of the coefficient, 4 into 5 into 5 into x square into x into y by 100. Okay, so here 4 into 5 5s are 25 into x square into x, bases are same, then exponents are adding. 2 plus 1, 3 into y. So here by 100. So 25 how many times possible? 4 times. 4 25 is 100. So here 4 4 cancel, remaining x cube and y. Therefore PTR by 100 is equal to x cube y. It is a sixth solution. So once look at the textbook, children, exercise 11.1, seventh problem. Once look at the seventh problem. Write some monomials of your own and find their products. So write 2 or 3 monomials and product. Understand, children? Write your own. No need of in textbook. Just we should write the monomial single terms. For example, 3x, 4y, like that. Write the monomial and the product. That is, you are take the own terms. That is own terms. Okay. So here observe that, children. Exercise 11.1 homework. First Roman remaining problems homework, and fourth Roman remaining problems homework, and seventh one we should write the own terms and product. Okay, did you understand, children? I hope to understood these problems. And next, do this page number 255. Next, page number 255. Do this first one. Find the product. Find the product. First one is the 3x into 4ax plus 8by. Product means multiplication. So, the monomial and it is a binomial. Two terms are there. So, here the product of the monomial and the binomial. What we'll get? So here 3x into 4ax plus 3x into 8by. The monomial is the product of the inside of terms. Every term is product multiplied. Okay, understand, children? So here 3 4s are 12, x into x, x square into a plus 3 8s are 24, x only one is there, b and y. So here how many terms we will get? 1 and 2. Understand, children? So what we observed that problem? So here the monomial and binomial, the product of the monomial and binomial will get a binomial. Monomial and binomial, the product of a monomial and binomial will get a binomial. Two terms are having here. Understand, children? The two monomials, the product of the two monomials equal to monomial. So here the product of the two binomial equal to trinomial. Already we explained. Next it is the monomial and binomial. The product of the monomial and binomial will get a binomial. Two terms are there. So we should write here binomial. So next one here, m cube into 5mn square plus n cube into 5mn square. Okay, so any coefficient is there? No. So 1 5s are 5. M cube into m. Bases are same, then exponents are adding. M power 3 plus 1, 4. N square is right here, n square. Plus n cube into 5mn square. So here coefficient is 1. 5 1s are 5. N cube, here n square. Bases are same, then exponents are adding. 3 plus 2, 5 into m. How many terms are there? 2 terms. So here the product of the monomial and binomial will get a binomial. Understand, children? Okay, in this case remaining problems, do the homework. I explained the first and fourth problems, remaining 2 problems homework. So here observe that second one. Do this second one, page number 255. Second one, find the number of maximum terms in the product of monomial and binomial. So we have to take the any monomial and binomial. We have to take your own. Monomial and binomial. Just I given to the examples. Find the number of maximum terms in the product of monomial and binomial. We have your wish. We have to take the 2 monomials and 2 binomials. The product of the same like that. One monomial and one binomial. Okay. Do 2 problems are take the 2 problems and the product of the monomial and binomial. Okay. Understand, children? Second problem is the homework. Do this second Roman is the homework. Now next exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2, the complete the table. Next exercise 11.2, first Roman. Look at the textbook, children. 11.2 first Roman, complete the table. Just I explain the first problem, first Roman. Remaining problems, do the homework. So here first expressions and second expressions are given. The third third term is the product. So here once observe that the product of first expression and third expression, second expression. So here product means multiplication 5q into p plus q minus 2r.
So in this case of the monomial product of the remaining terms all, every term producting. Okay. So here 5q into p plus 5q into q plus into minus minus 5q into 2r. So here 5 ones are 5 p into q pq plus 5, the bases are same, exponents are adding, minus 5 twos are 10 and q into r. Here observe that the product of the monomial and trinomial, here how many terms are there? 1 2 3, three terms are there. The three terms is called a trinomial. The three terms is called a trinomial. So here first expression and second expression, the product of the expressions will get a trinomial. The product of the, what we observe that first problem, the product of the monomial and trinomial will get a trinomial. How many terms will get? 1 2 3 terms. So it is 1 2 3 terms are there. What we observe that the product of the monomial and trinomial will get trinomial. Understood? Okay, remaining problems are homework. Next, second one. Simplify 4y into 3y plus 4. It is a totally one term and it is a one term. So here two terms are there. So it is a binomial and it is a single term is there, monomial. So the product of simplify 4y into 3y plus 4y into 4. Understand children, the monomial in the bracket of terms, every term is multiplied that. Okay. So 4 3s are 12, y into y. So here write y into y plus 4 4s are 16 into y. So here bases are same, then exponents are adding. 12y square plus 16y. Therefore, 4y into 3y plus 4 equal to 12y square plus 16y. Understood children? Okay. Next, third problem. Exercise 11.2, third problem. X into 2x square minus 7x plus 3. And first one is x equal to 1 and second one is x equal to 0. First, simplify the x and 2x square minus 7x plus 3. So, observe the product of x into 2x square plus into minus minus x into 7x plus into plus x into 3. Okay. So here 2 ones are 2, bases are same, then exponents are adding. So x power 3 minus 7 into 1 7, x into x square plus 3x. First product the monomial and trinomial. Now we will substitute the values are given. X equal to 1. So if x equal to 1, then find the value. 2x cube minus 7x square plus 3x equal to, substitute the x value. So we have to take the 1 minus 7 into 1 square plus 3 into 1. 2. 1 cube means we have to take the power million, billion, trillion. So the value is the 1. 1 power, we have to take the million, billion, so many values. But the value is 1 into 1 minus 7 into 1 plus 3. 2 ones 2 minus 7 1 7 plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5 minus 7 equal to minus 2. Understand? 5 minus 7 equal to minus 2. Next one, x equal to 0. Next one, x equal to 0. So here 2x cube minus 7x square plus 3x equal to 2 into 0 cube minus 7 into 0 square plus 3 into 0. So all 0 minus 0 minus plus 0, the value is the 0. The product of the 0 is something, the value is the 0. Understand children? Okay. First simplify the problem, after substitute the values. Next, fourth problem, add the product. Add the product. First here, adding. First here terms are adding. Here a into a minus b plus b into b minus c plus c into c minus a. Okay. First adding after product. So here a into a. It is a monomial and binomial. The product of every term. A into a plus into minus minus a into b plus. This is the one. Next b into b, b into b plus into minus minus here b into c plus c into c and c into a. C into c minus c into a. Okay, so here a into a square minus ab plus b into b square minus bc plus c into c square minus ca. Okay, write here any terms are adding same terms? No. So write here a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus c. Understood, children? Okay, right. Next, fifth one is the homework. Next, fifth problem is the homework. Same. So here, fourth problem is a monomial and binomial. So fifth problem is the monomial and trinomial. First adding after product. Okay, right. Next, sixth problem. Subtract the product of 2x into 5x minus 5 from product of 3x into x plus 3y. Solution. So here from this term by this term. Subtract this term and this term. So here observe that first subtraction 3x into x plus 2y minus, it is a total one term, and 2x into 5x minus y. Understand, children? Subtract the product of, first we should write the subtraction, after do the product. After do the product. So here multiply the each and every term. 3x into x plus 3x into 2y minus 2x into 5x minus 2x into y. Understand? So the monomial product of two terms and at the same time. Okay? So bases are same, then exponents adding 3x square plus 3 2s are 6, x into y xy minus 2 5s are 10, bases are same, then exponents are adding 10x square minus 2 into xy. So here 3x square plus 6xy minus 10x square minus into minus plus 2xy. So here 3x square minus 10x square minus 7x square plus 6xy plus 2xy. So here variables are same and powers also same. Then we should adding 6 plus 2, 8xy. Understand, children? Minus 7x square plus 8x. So first term write the positive value. So 8xy minus 7x square. Okay. Next, seventh problem, do the homework. Same like this. Okay. Seventh one is the homework. Next, exercise 11.2, last problem, eighth one. Simplify a square into a minus b plus c plus b square into a plus b minus c square into a minus b minus c. Okay, understand that? Simplify. So here observe that it is a monomial and trinomial. The monomial product of the trinomial is the every term, and at the same time every term is producing. Okay, now write here a square into a minus a square into b plus a square into c plus b square into a plus b square into b minus b square into c. Okay, minus c square into a minus c square into b minus c square into c. Okay, understood? So now producting. Bases are same, then exponents are adding. A square into a cube minus a square b plus a square c. Okay, plus b square a plus b square into b. Bases are same, then exponents are adding. B cube minus b square into c, b square c, minus c square a minus c square b minus c. Bases are same, then exponents are adding. Now write here a cube minus a square b plus a square c, adding of product of the positive, plus b square a plus into plus plus b cube plus into minus minus b square c. Next here minus into plus minus c square a minus into minus plus c square b minus into minus plus c cube. First write the terms of a cube, and next here b cube plus b cube, and next here c cube. First we should write here positive a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Next here a square b, any term is there, a square b minus a square b. No one is there. So minus a square b plus a square c. A square c, no need is there, plus a square c plus b square a or ab square minus b square c minus c square a plus c square b. Okay, understood this one? Okay, children? Okay, right. This is the last problem of 11.2. Okay, right.
Thank you, my dear students. I hope to understood these problems.